YouTube Dub TV back with another video on the Tahoe, and today I'll be replacing the bulbs in my fog lights. I ain't had no lights in this mug since I got it, but we about to put some in it today. We gonna put some blue ones in them, some blue LED fog lights. They gonna match my side markers. I got blue side markers. I'm gonna show y'all all that once I put them in. Show y'all how it looks. Just been upgrading the Tahoe. Just been starting with the lights. Started with the door, the blue ones in the door. Got the blue ones right there, all the way to the third row. Even threw them in the license plate bulb. Well, yeah, that's what the video is on today, just the fog lights. Slowly but surely, she's coming. So these is the lights right here that I got. I had got them off Amazon. Link will be in the description. Once again, these are for the fog lights on my Tahoe. Two comes in a pack. There's like 20 something bucks. We're gonna try them out, see how they work. It's the description right there. But yeah, they pretty simple to put in. Go ahead, open that. Climb up under the car, and I'll show y'all how to put them things in real quick, boy. Alright, so I'm under the car now. What you want to do is twist the whole harness while it's still plugged up to your left, and it'll come right out. And as you can see, like I said earlier, I have no bulb in there. So let me unplug this, see if I can do it with one hand. One hand, cause I'm the man. And go ahead and plug this other one up. Put the camera down real quick. Bam. Now that's in there. Now what you want to do is put the light back in. Line it up. Turn it to the right. And it's in there. That's in there. That's one. Got the other one right here. It's the same thing on this side. Twist it to the left. Put the bulb on. Twist it back to the right, and you in there like swimwear. So let me go ahead and do that. Tap back in a minute. Here we go, y'all. So that's how I look in the daytime. Bet you at night it's gonna look that much better. I'm gonna eventually do another video at night so y'all can see how it looks at night though. That's alright. Yeah, eventually I'm gonna do a whole video on all the lights that I swapped out. Y'all let me know, you know, if y'all want to see if y'all want the descriptions. But yeah, y'all, yeah, Dub TV, man, on the Tahoe again. Let me know what y'all want to see me do to this thing, man. Switching out the lights, just all the small stuff right now, but down the line I'm gonna take off that roof rack, take off that step. I just think they look a little better like that. I ain't hauling stuff around and whatnot, so I ain't short, so I really don't need that. I can hop up in there. But yeah, for the most part, man, Dub TV, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, tap in with your boy, man. As I said, like I said, keep my journey going with the Tahoe, man. Alright, man. Tapping out. Boom.